Hi guys, this is Teacher Mel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn about the quadrilaterals and regular polygons. So we all know from the previous lessons that the sum of the angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. In this example, PQRS is a quadrilateral that has 4 sides. Its name comes from the number of its So for example, if you have 3 sides, that is a triangle. If you have 4 sides, that is a quadrilateral. So in here, these are the different types of polygons. As I've said earlier, if you have 4 sides, it's quadrilateral. If you have 5 sides, the name is pentagon. Or if you have 6 sides, it's called hexagon. And 7 sides is heptagon. 8 sides is octagon. 9 sides is nonagon. And 10 sides is decagon, and so on and so forth. So the name was based on the number of sides of the shape or the polygon. So the quadrilateral PQRS in here, so when you add angle P here and angle Q, angle R, angle S, so their sum is equal to 360 degrees. How are we going to prove? Last time we learned about the internal angles of the triangle, and their sum is equal to 180 degrees. So in here, if you add angle F, angle E, and angle A, their sum is equal to 180 degrees. And if you will add angle D, angle C, and angle B, that is also 180 degrees. Remember, this one is angle F, angle E, and angle A is also 180 degrees. So when you add these two, that is equal to 360 degrees. So this is the regular pentagon because it has 5 sides of this pentagon. So in here, we're going to find the value of X. So in here, all you have to do is just add X plus X plus X plus X plus X. So how many X's? 5 X's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And remember, this is in the form of circle. So that is equal to 360 degrees. Then 5X. That is 5x is equal to 360 degrees. And all you have to do is divide both sides by 5. So cut 5 here. And 360 divided by 5, so the value of x is equal to 72 degrees. Everything is 72 degrees. Let's get more example. So our target is to find the value of x here. So this is a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides in it. This one is 82 degrees. This one 100, this one is x, this one is 70. So all you have to do is 82 plus 100 plus 70 plus x is equal to 360 degrees. So 82 plus 100 is 182 plus 70 is 252 plus x. That is equal to 360. Then x is equal to 360. Then you move 252 to the right, so you have to change the sign. Minus 252. X is equal to 360 minus 252. The value of x here is 108 degrees. Okay, now let's move on to the second example. We're going to find the value of angle y here. So the same process. 145 plus 75 plus 90 plus y equals 360 degrees. Then add 145 plus 75 is 150. 220 plus 90 plus y equals 360 degrees. Again, 220 plus 90 is 310 plus y equals 360. Then transpose 310 to the right side of the equation, then change the sign. So y is equal to 360 minus 310. And the value of y is equal to 50 degrees. Therefore, angle y here is 50 degrees. For the third example, still a quadrilateral, but we have to find the value of our z. For the same process, add 113 plus 88 plus 83 plus z, that is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, so when you add 113 plus 88 plus 83, that is equal to 284 plus z is equal to 360 degrees. So again, move 284 to the right side and change the sign. So z or z is equal to 360 minus 284. And the answer is equal to 76 degrees. So angle z here is 76 degrees. So for the last example, so this is still a quadrilateral because you still have 4 sides. So all you have to do is add 40 plus 30 plus 20 plus p equals 360 degrees. So 40 plus 30 is 70 plus 20 is 90 plus p equals 360 degrees. So again, move 90 to the right side and change the sign. So P equals 360 minus 90, and P is equal to, so what is 360 minus 90? And the answer is 270 degrees. So angle P here is 270 degrees. All right, so that's all for today, and I hope you learned from this lesson. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do consider subscribing, because you will learn a lot in this channel, especially if you have kids who have difficulty in learning math. So this will help them to grow and to appreciate, okay, the beauty and essence of mathematics. Thanks so much. That's all for today. Bye.